have a look at the stars. When you look at the time-lapse videos of the stars, they all move uniformly. This might make sense on a spinning globe if the only thing we were doing was spinning. However, mainstream science not only tells us that the Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, but we are also told that we orbit around the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. In addition to that, our solar system, Earth and all, whirls around the center of the galaxy at 490,000 miles per hour. And finally, the entire Milky Way galaxy is traveling through space at over 1 million miles per hour. Keep in mind that none of these motions have ever been proven, not even Earth's supposed rotation. With all of these motions considered, is this what we would see night after night for thousands of years? No. They also tell us that the stars are distant suns, but they look like orbs of dancing energy when you zoom in on them with a high-power zoom camera, and considering how far away they are, should we even be able to zoom into them in the first place?
Now let's talk about planets. People always ask me, why is Earth the only planet that's flat? And it's simple, really. It's because Earth is not a planet. Planets were known to the ancients as wandering stars. Let's have a look at the etymology of the word. This is from the online etymology dictionary. Wandering stars. See, that's what you need to pay attention to. Wandering stars. That's what these were called, planets. And we weren't considered a wandering star. Now let's keep going. From planetstai to wander, so called because they have apparent motion unlike the fixed stars, originally included also the sun and moon. Okay, so they move in a completely different way than the regular uniform stars that all move the exact same, originally included the sun and moon. Also, Earth was originally not included because it's not a planet, it's a plane.
You can find the planets of the universe encoded in our weekdays. Sunday is Sun. Monday is Moon. Tuesday is Mars. Wednesday is Mercury. Thursday is Jupiter. Friday is Venus. Saturday is Saturn. All 7 wandering stars are accounted for. You're probably wondering about Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Well, as you may know, Pluto was demoted from planet status in 2006. And there is much debate online as to whether Uranus and Neptune should even be considered. If not, then we are back at 6 planets, but that's including the Earth. Take away the Earth because it's not a planet and add the Sun and Moon back in, and we're back at the original 7 planets.
Now let's have a look at what we are told the solar system looks like. Central Sun, hence heliocentric, and the planets all going around it. Now, just like pictures of the Earth, you can't find any real pictures of the so-called solar system.
Here's what you get when you do a search for real pictures of the solar system. A bunch of cartoons.
The argument is that we just can't go out far enough and take pictures of the solar system, bro. It's not that simple. Well, I beg to differ.
NASA claims to have the Hubble telescope taking real pictures of distant galaxies. Here's one right here. Look up spiral galaxy pair NGC 4302 and NGC 4298, but they tell us that the Hubble is only 350 miles away, so maybe we can't get pictures of our solar system with Hubble. Well, what about the Discover satellite with the Epic camera? They claim that it took this shot of Earth from 1 million miles away.
If that's the case, can't they just zoom back a little bit and snap the solar system? Again, the fact is that everything we get from NASA is CGI. Start looking at it and examining it. You'll notice. Is the Earth a planet?
The answer is no.
It's never been proven.
Just programmed into us. We have to stop looking up at the lights in the sky for answers because we are not one of those lights. The Earth is special and so are you. We are at the center of all things, and the only life is here. Outer space is one big lie. Yeah, you can look up at the night sky and see the stars and wandering stars, but it's not what we are told it is.